We are recording. Natalia's hiding her face as usual. We're at the park right now. That was a little too close, I'm sorry. They're doing yoga down there, if you could see them.
I got a plan. Just get the camera away from me. I want to yell out to them. They're yelling at me.
Okay, do it. She's gonna yell out, "You're a vamp," and see what they say.
You're a vamp.
Whatever the hell it is. Excuse my language, little girls. I mean, kids. Whatever. Yell it!
I'm too scared.
For Christ's sake. You're a vamp!
That's not how you say it.
I don't know how the hell you say it.
B-A-M-F.
You're a vamp. I don't know how you say it.
Oh my answer.
Yeah, it's because your ass can't fit into the damn sling.
Well, at least I have one.
You know what? You always gotta go there. You gotta go there. Here! Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to twist this thingy-mabobber and see how high I can go. Well, how fast I can. You're a vamp. You're a vamp. Okay, I'm already getting dizzy. I'm not even swinging. This one time at band camp.
Can I, like, kill you?
Can I, like, slap the hell out of you?
Oh, sorry.
Be a bitch
No.
versus some creature.
What?
Kidding, nothing. Get us out of here. Derek, why did you ask me out? Okay, that's a lot. See, who's that dude over there staring at us? It's an old guy.
Your pimp daddy, that's who.
Hey, Pimp Daddy! That's my Pimp Daddy.
Pimp daddy, over here!
Pimp Daddy, over here!
Hey, I hope it gives you something. Hope it gives you
know
something.
what? Shut up.
She's too scared of saying, I hope it gives you hell.
No, I'm not. Hello.
Hope it gives you hell. Hope it gives you
Okay,
hell.
are we ready?
Yoga.
This is probably going to make me puke, so are we ready?
Damn it. Alright, go.
Alright. I'm too scared to do it. I'm afraid my earrings are going to fly out. Here. Hey. Tay-Tay. Ow!
Sounds like you know what's name.
Whose? Huh? Oh, yeah, my bad. May. Like that makes it any better. Hold it. Okay, we're ready to go. In 5, 4, 3. Oh my god, I'm gonna hit my head. 2. I love you, mommy. Justin, you're a thing. Don't look at this video. Oh my god, this is bug on me.
Go! It's a bug. Live. I mean, go live. Whatever.
What the hell? Okay, here we go. Ready?
That looks like the dude from the skate park, but I really doubt it. Okay, go!
Alright! I can do this. I'm a big girl. Now. Okay. Well, alright, here we go. Ready? This is gonna make me puke.
Can I tell you how wrong this is? We're waiting for the puking.
The earth is tilting, people.
Turn around.
Natalia.
Turn around.
Natalia.
Turn around.
Oh my gosh, there's like water going up my nose. My eyes watered up. It's like I was about to die. Oh my gosh, my nose hurts. Bo, what do you say to that? Oh.
When you walk my way, hope it gives you hell. Hope it gives you a hell.
Yeah, there's wood chips in my pants. Don't record me getting it out.
Hangs for you just as well. Hope it I am not.
You were about to say I am. You said hi. Who wants to see me do it a second time?
Not me. What do you think, Bo? All paws down. Alright, well, that's just like some entertainment, I guess.
Wait a minute. We're going to record going on the thingy bobber.
Face, hope it gives you hell. Hope it gives you hell. When you walk my way, hope it gives you hell. Hope it gives you hell.